Hello traders, welcome to another video from our LTR group. So today we are going to talk about how Bank Nifty and Nifty are going to be behaving, and I have selected one particular stock for you to watch out for tomorrow. So let's quickly go ahead and see what are the levels that we can look out for and where can we make a trade tomorrow. Now at this moment, if you look at Bank Nifty, it has been making, it is right now near the zone of an all-time high. But remember, our yesterday's high, if I could go ahead and show it to you over here, was somewhere around 38,107, but we have successfully closed 71 points above it. Now, if you go back and look at the order flow, now, of course, there was a bit of a sell-off that came at the later part of the day, but there is still a net close to 90,000 lots that have been over here in positive. So over here, that means that there are a few ways that we can trade for tomorrow. And the key things that we would need to keep in mind is this. So the Bank Nifty has actually consolidated over here at this particular range with this trend line over here. So any breakout about this particular level over here, that would be somewhere around 38,300, would give you a follow-up buying. And if we go ahead and understand the previous trend over here, right from the top to the bottom, then there is a position that we can actually anticipate until 39,400 on a positional basis. So over here, if you would be wondering, why is this guy giving such a huge target, is because remember, guys, this is 1,000 points, but it is somewhere around less than 3% that it can actually achieve. Now, whatever has happened with all the banks today, apart from Axis Bank and IndusInd Bank, all the other banks have closed very, very strong. And that includes the big twins, which is HDFC and ICC Bank, that can pull this forward. So tomorrow, our trade would be anything about 38,287. It is going to go ahead and give us that particular movement that we are looking for. For the first round number trade, we are going to look at 38,500 as a target. And if it trades below 38,080, and somehow takes out the level of 38,000, then we can quickly look for a scalp below at this particular range of 300 points. So these will be the targets and the levels that we'll be looking out for tomorrow. Now, in terms of Nifty, now, of course, we had drawn these levels over here already for Nifty that, it is taking a bit of a resistance at 17,948. So it went up again and it came down. A lot of this has happened because of IT stocks falling in today. Now, with pharma and IT not supporting Nifty and Bank Nifty trying its level best, of course, there was no movement over here that we could capture. But however, if we close about 17,948, then we are going to have a move. But for that, we would need to first go ahead and breach this level that it is trying to consolidate between 17,896. So I want this to open sideways and then take out this level, because what is going to happen is that it will have some time over here to consolidate, and then a breakout onto the top will take it to somewhere around 18,100. Now, as per the order flow that we were looking at, now let us quickly check and see if Nifty has something to say over here on the orders. So over here on Nifty's, the orders are still on the negative side. But remember, guys, this particular index has the capability of having 4 lakh lots on a positive side. So whatever sell-off that has been happening over here is not less than what that has been bought on the 23rd of September. So I'm still bullish. The VIX is high. Of course, a lot of people would be fizzy at that particular point of time. But remember, the most important thing that we would need to do is to understand how this would move. Now, the stock that I've picked up for you today is actually going to be a motor stock, Tata Motors. Now, because of Diwali and all the festival season, there has been a lot of bookings that have actually taken this particular stock onto a high. Now, there has been a consecutive buying from 300 that has bought this stock to somewhere around 330. So over here, what we are looking at is that we are looking somewhere around like 3 lakh lots, 10 lakh lots, and 20 lakh lots, and 7 lakh lots over here at this moment. So of course, this is all set and is planning to go ahead and break 350 pretty soon. So we can actually go ahead and have these movements over here that we can capture tomorrow. So if Tata Motors takes out the day's high, then we can quickly go ahead, keep a stop loss of this 330 and then look for an upside tomorrow. So I hope these levels help you tomorrow, and I hope it would be a profitable day, and I hope you had a very fantastic day today. And with this note, I thank you so much for your time. I wish you have a beautiful day ahead. We'll see you on the next video tomorrow once again with the analysis. Take care. Jai Hind. Goodbye. Bye for now.